Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 digital soldering station. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is FNIRSI 200W Rework Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, FNIRSI. Model, DWS 200. Screen, 2.8-inch TFT screen. Temp range, 100 degrees Celsius - 450 degrees Celsius. Peak power, 200 W. Input voltage, 100 V, 240 V. Input fuse, 3A. Handle type, F210 F245 handle. Dimension, 156 by 96 by 103 mm. Net weight, 475 g. Certification, CE, ROSE. Item number 4 is JCD 750W Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, JCD. Model number, 8586D. Is customized, yes. Voltage, 110V or 220V. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, Eruntop 8586 Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, Eruntop. Model, SMD. Display, LED microcomputer digital. Power, 700W max. Air type, brushless fan soft wind. Air volume, 120/mince max. Temperature, 100 to 500 degrees Celsius. Certification, CE. Item number 2 is SUGON T21 Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, SUGON. Model number, SUGON T21. Is customized, yes. Soldering iron tip, C115, C245, C210. Handle, T245, T210 control temperature. Power, 120W max. Certification, CE, FCC. On the top of our list at number 1 we have SUGON A9 Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, Kaisi. Model number, SUGON A9. Is customized, yes. Soldering iron tip, JBC C210, C245, C115. Handle, T210, T245, T115. Power, 120W. Certification, CE, FCC.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.